What's going on, everyone? Thanks for coming and checking out today's video. Today we are going to change the cabin filter in my 2014 Toyota Tundra. Went with one of these Breathe Easy cabin filters you get on Amazon. This is the one that has the charcoal in it. That's supposed to make your car smell a little bit better. It's kind of heavy. You can definitely tell that it's just more than just paper. So I think the last time I changed the cabin filter on this truck was probably like 20,000 miles ago. So we'll see how dirty it is. And if you need to get a filter, if you want to get one of those, I'm gonna have a link in the description box. So check that out. Your first step is going to be to remove this tray here. Okay, all I got to do is pop it up this way, and then you can pull it right out. It's just held in with these clips that you see there. And then right here, there's this door. Mine's a little loose, but all you gotta do is slide this door up, and then you can take it up. Now there's another door. I'm just gonna push this right here on both sides. And then we can pull this door off. And so you notice how when I installed the other one in, it says airflow is going down. On the new filter, it's labeled just like that. So 20,000 miles, and it's definitely dirty, definitely. You really wanna change these out as soon as you can. You know, every couple oil changes, because they will impede the airflow of your air conditioner. Okay, and here where I'm at, you need your air conditioner. So right here it says airflow with the arrow facing down. We'll just, I guess we'll put it in like this. It goes in that way. That one goes in a little different. And then we'll put the door right back on. It should just snap on if everything's good. First, and then do that. And then we'll get the tray and just slide it in here, and it just snaps right back into place. Just like that. And we're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.